As technology continues to evolve, so too does the array of gadgets available to enhance our driving experience. From safety devices to entertainment systems, these innovations can make your time on the road safer, more enjoyable, and more efficient. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your ride, here are the top 10 car gadgets to consider for 2024. Number 10. Car Air Purifier. Maintaining a clean and fresh environment inside your car is essential, especially for long drives. A car air purifier helps remove dust, pollen, smoke, and other pollutants from the air, providing a healthier driving experience. The latest models in 2024 use advanced filtration technology, such as HEPA filters and ionizers, to purify the air effectively. Imagine driving through a heavily polluted area or during allergy season, and your car remains a haven of clean, fresh air. A car air purifier ensures that you and your passengers can breathe easily, enhancing comfort and well-being on every trip. These devices are compact and can be easily installed on your dashboard or center console. Some models even come with additional features like aromatherapy, allowing you to infuse pleasant scents into your car's atmosphere. Whether you're commuting in heavy traffic or embarking on a cross-country adventure, a car air purifier can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle, making your journeys more enjoyable and comfortable. Number 9. Bluetooth Tire Pressure Gauge. A Bluetooth tire pressure gauge is a handy tool for checking your tire pressure quickly and accurately. These devices connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, displaying real-time pressure readings and providing maintenance reminders. For example, you can receive an alert on your phone if a tire's pressure dropped below the recommended level, allowing you to take immediate action. This gadget is perfect for ensuring your tires are always properly inflated, improving safety and fuel efficiency. Number 8. Dash Cam with Cloud Storage. Dash cams have become essential for recording your drives, providing valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. The latest dash cams in 2024 offer high-definition video, wide-angle lenses, and night vision capabilities. Moreover, they now feature cloud storage, automatically uploading footage to the cloud for safekeeping. Imagine capturing stunning road trip scenery or having clear evidence of an incident without worrying about losing the footage due to a damaged or stolen camera. Dash cams with cloud storage ensure your videos are always secure and accessible, providing peace of mind on every journey. Number 7. Portable Jump Starter and Power Bank. A portable jump starter is a must-have gadget for any driver, ensuring you're never stranded with a dead battery. The latest models in 2024 are compact, powerful, and multifunctional, often doubling as power banks to charge your devices on the go. Imagine you're on a remote road trip and your car battery dies. With a portable jump starter, you can quickly get your vehicle running again without needing assistance from another car. Additionally, these devices come with USB ports, allowing you to charge your phone, tablet, or other electronics, making them an indispensable tool for any driver. Number 6. Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System continuously monitors the air pressure in your tires and alerts you if it falls below the recommended level. The latest TPMS gadgets in 2024 offer real-time pressure readings and temperature monitoring for each tire. For example, you can receive an alert on your smartphone if a tire is underinflated, allowing you to address the issue before it becomes a safety hazard. By ensuring your tires are always at optimal pressure, TPMS enhances your driving safety and helps you save money on fuel and tire maintenance. Number 5. In-car virtual assistant. Voice-activated virtual assistants are no longer confined to our homes. They have made their way into our cars, providing hands-free control over various functions. In-car virtual assistants, such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, can help you navigate, play music, make calls, and even control smart home devices while you drive. Imagine driving home from work and asking your virtual assistant to turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, and start your favorite playlist. These assistants integrate seamlessly with your car's infotainment system, allowing you to stay connected and in control without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. Number 4. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Advanced driver assistance systems are a collection of technologies designed to enhance vehicle safety and improve the driving experience. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance. In 2024, these systems have become more sophisticated, utilizing AI and machine learning to predict and react to potential hazards more accurately. For example, adaptive cruise control can now anticipate slow-moving traffic ahead and adjust your speed accordingly, while lane-keeping assistance ensures you stay centered in your lane even on winding roads. AVAS makes driving safer and more enjoyable by reducing the stress of long journeys and heavy traffic. Number 3. Wireless Smartphone Charging Mount. Keeping your smartphone charged and accessible while driving is crucial, especially for navigation and communication. A wireless smartphone charging mount combines the convenience of a phone holder with the functionality of a wireless charger, ensuring your device stays powered up without the hassle of tangled cables. These mounts securely hold your phone in place, typically attaching to your dashboard or air vent, and provide fast wireless charging. Imagine not having to fumble with charging cables every time you get in the car. Simply place your phone in the mount and it starts charging instantly. The mount's adjustable design ensures compatibility with various phone sizes and models, making it a versatile addition to any vehicle. With a wireless charging mount, you can easily view your navigation apps, take hands-free calls, and control your music without worrying about battery life. It's like having a mini power station in your car, keeping your smartphone charged and ready for action. This gadget not only enhances convenience, but also contributes to safer driving by reducing distractions, ensuring you keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Number 2. Smart Rearview Mirror. The Smart Rearview Mirror is a significant upgrade from traditional mirrors, integrating a high-definition camera feed to provide a clear and unobstructed view of the road behind you. These mirrors often include additional features such as GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and dash cam functionality. For instance, the latest models can switch between a regular mirror and a video feed at the touch of a button, offering superior visibility in all conditions, even when your rear window is blocked by passengers or cargo. With Smart Rearview Mirrors, you get an enhanced driving experience that improves safety and convenience. Number 1. Advanced Heads-Up Display. The Advanced Heads-Up Display is the ultimate tool for keeping your eyes on the road while still accessing essential information. This gadget projects critical driving data, such as speed, navigation, and fuel levels, directly onto your windshield. The latest HUDs in 2024 offer augmented reality features, highlighting navigation routes and important road signs in real time. Imagine driving through a bustling city with turn-by-turn directions appearing seamlessly on your windshield, guiding you through complex intersections without the need to glance at your phone or GPS. The advanced HUD transforms your driving experience by merging convenience with safety, ensuring you stay focused on the road ahead. Embrace the future of driving. As we move further into 2024, these top 10 car gadgets offer a glimpse into the future of driving, where technology seamlessly integrates with our vehicles to enhance safety, convenience, and enjoyment. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to upgrade your ride or simply seeking practical solutions to improve your driving experience, these gadgets provide valuable benefits that make every journey more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the top car gadgets for 2024. If you found this article informative and engaging, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear about your favorite car gadgets, so leave a comment below with your recommendations and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and reviews on the latest automotive innovations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drive smart, stay informed, and enhance your driving experience with the latest technology.